My flight leaves for Europe in 10 hours and I have not even started to pack yet. I'm stressed, I'm overwhelmed, I need to get so many things. So we're at the Dollar Tree right now. I'm hoping I can find exactly what I need, and if not, we're gonna have to go to Walmart. So I haven't been to Dollar Tree actually in a little bit, but I'm looking at the hair stuff they have right now, and can we just talk about how cute this scrunchie actually looks with like the bottom? It's so cute, but I don't know if I want to bring a checked luggage or if I'm going to put everything in my carry-on. So I have two brushes that I normally use. This would allow me to not bring both of the brushes, but also save space, because that's one thing I'm really looking forward to. This is a list that I sent to Michael, and I think we have about 3 items here so far. I also wasn't planning on bringing a neck pillow, but for $1.25, the Dollar Tree has this, but I'm a little bit hesitant to believe if it's gonna work or not. But is it worth it to just buy for $1.25? Michael, what do you think? Should I buy this?
The thing is, that's probably way, like, not even worth the space. That's what I'd say. It's probably super hard, not like good quality. I say no. I say it's about space, not about price.
That's true, but it's inflatable. I could just deflate it too.
True, but you're going to be on the plane like...
That's true. We have, I think, 8 hours before I leave, and I have not even started to pack yet, and I'm a wreck. I don't even think I told you guys where I'm going. I'm going to Paris and Barcelona for a 10-day conference trip that I'm invited to, and it's completely paid for, so I can't even begin to express how grateful I am to be going on this trip. But with that being said, I'm going to 2 countries. I'm leaving from New York, and I think I'm going to put everything into my carry-on here for the main reason that I'm going to be making a lot of layovers, and with most of the layovers, I would have to recheck in a checked bag, and that takes a lot of time. Checked bags can get lost, and I just don't want to do that. So I'm going to try to put everything into my carry-on right here, and with that being said, I have to pack very minimal because I love to overpack, so this is going to be the biggest challenge for me. However, though, it's winter, but the weather for Paris is supposed to be like 50-ish degrees, and for Barcelona it's supposed to be like 60-ish degrees, so I don't think I have to bundle up that much. And sorry if you hear that noise, my dog is going crazy downstairs. My closet literally looks like this. Like, I have no idea what I want to pack. Your girl's going through it. Michael's not even here to help me right now, and that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate for me. But I think I only want to bring 3 pairs of jeans. Now the problem is, which jeans do I actually want to bring on the trip? I like these jeans a lot, but I'm going for a conference and it's like an educational professional type thing, and I'm not sure if I could get away with wearing these. I would be like that young teacher at the conference, so we'll keep those as a just in case, but those are my favorite jeans. These also have holes in them, but they're not as holy as the other one. I think I'm definitely bringing these, so I'm gonna throw them over there. Pants, I think my airport attire is going to be sweatpants or leggings. I'm not sure yet, but I'll definitely bring those. And I think I'm just gonna bring all of my black leggings that I have, because why not? Literally, why not? I literally still have this little tape on my dresser for when we moved. We had to take out the drawers and re-put them back in. So this literally says 3 because it's like the 3rd drawer. And I kid you not, I've had this on for like 2 years and I haven't taken it off yet. But this is my t-shirt drawer, and I recently got a few new t-shirts from Shein that I'm going to bring with me. Since it's 10 days, I'm just planning on sleeping in the shirts. I'm gonna hopefully just bring 5 t-shirts that I can get away with wearing. So 1, 2, that's a lot of blue. Did you see the ones that's a lot of blue and green. And I'll probably go to the airport in another one. And I'm sorry if this vlog is going super fast or if I'm speaking super fast, but the truth is I am just stressed and I need to get this done ASAP. This is a better view of a representation of my closet right now. Like, you can just see everything, and we're gonna pretend like you didn't. I did recently get these packing cubes, but I don't know if I want to use them or not, because Michael also got me some vacuum sealed bags, which I think will come in a lot more handy than just the packing cubes themselves. But I am not sure what sweaters I want to bring. I have a bunch of these plain, like H&M long sleeve sweaters, and these are great because they're versatile, but people in Europe dress, they dress good. And I just don't know what I want to wear. Like, I'm feeling like I'm going to be that American, and I'm okay with being that American, I guess, but I don't have like anything super professional or fancy that I can bring to this conference. But they also suggested to dress comfy, and I'm going to take that with as much intention as they meant to write it. That's one possible sweater. This green one is another possible sweater. This is another possible one. Maybe pack this long sleeve black turtleneck. What else do we have over here? I don't know if I want to bring a cardigan or not, because I feel like it would just make more sense to bring a sweater, but this is a cardigan I have. Can you hear Max? But last night I did a bunch of laundry, so let's go ahead and go downstairs so I can show you some of the stuff that I washed last night. And I washed them with the intent that I'm gonna bring them. But like just from, sorry, we're in so much darkness right now, but just from pulling out all of the sweaters that I have, I'm not sure if I can actually bring just a carry-on. I'm hoping, but I'm not sure if I can. Also, so happy I just came down here. I'm gonna need to bring the scarf. All the winter clothes I have, of course, are big and chunky. And when I think of layering, I think of layering like a long sleeve underneath a big chunky sweater. But big chunky sweaters take up space, and I don't want that to be a thing. Disregard the fact that we hang up our clothes on the blinds because we just don't have a dryer rack in here, and this is working for us. But these pairs of pants right here, I want to wear because they're like my professional work trousers, but they're wet right now. And I was really hoping that the clothes that I'm hanging were going to be dry, but they're not. But I do have some clothes in the dryer.
Running fast from the way it was, jump quick to a great chick. Running back to the strip club, I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me.
I just took a moment, relaxed a little bit, took a breath, found some clothes that I may want to bring, and I'm laying them all out on my bed here. And looking at the size of my carry-on, this may be problematic. So these are all the clothes that I have laid out, and this is the size of the carry-on. How are we going to do this? I'm not sure, but let's find out. I'm only going for 10 days, and I have to keep reminding myself that because it's not like I'm going for a year or something. I don't need to bring everything, but I do want to bring stuff that makes me feel comfortable, and this is kind of what I feel comfortable in. Now, am I going to somehow overpack? Yes. Am I going to be happy with that outcome? No. But let's do our best to be as minimal as possible. I'm hoping that I only need to bring 5 pairs of pajamas to sleep in every night, 3 pairs of jeans, 4 or 5 big sweaters. I have a coat I'm going to bring with me on the airport. And what else? Maybe 3 or 4 pairs of leggings plus all of my undergarments. I'm going to be reusing clothes, and I'm not afraid to say it. I will be reusing clothes, and if I have to wash my clothes over there, I'll have to wash my clothes over there. That's not the intention, because the Airbnb that we have booked for Barcelona does not have a washer, nor does the hotel I have in Paris. So my cat also wants to come too, but she can't. And I forgot that I still have to bring all of my electronics and all of my skincare stuff too. It's okay, we got it. We got it, we got it. Am I gonna wear a cardigan? I hope so, instead of wearing the same jacket. These are the vacuum sealed bags that my wonderful, fantastic, amazing boyfriend got for me. These are huge. These are huge. I did not think these were going to be this big. So apparently, I don't want to mess this up, but I also don't want to read the directions. So I guess I just open it up. I think this would be great for a checked on bag, but for a carry-on, it's not doing what I wanted it to do. I will be retrying to pack my bag for like the 5th time just starting out. I'm on my bathroom floor right now because I need to stop thinking about how I'm gonna pack my clothes. I'm just gonna go with the checked bag. I cannot take out any more clothes than what I've already taken out. And we need to start putting stuff into Ziploc baggies. And I'm hoping that this will be the easiest part of what I pack because it's literally all in here. And then I'm just gonna put literally everything into here. This is something I got from Shein too. It has like 3 different compartments that are really savvy. And I have these flossers. These are just like some things I got from the Dollar Tree when I went earlier. And I got a whole bunch of good goodies. So let's go ahead and try to pack this. You are probably so incredibly tired of looking at that background, so here's an even more messier background. And while packing, I've come to the conclusion that I have absolutely no idea how people can film pack with me's, because packing is already incredibly difficult as it is, and is kind of stressful too, especially for international trips. But to film it all, I don't know if I'll ever do this again, but we are already halfway through. I'm not sure whatever I told you last, but outside of my mini mental breakdown that I have from trying to put everything into my carry-on, I'm just going with the check bag, and whatever happens, happens. And it would be very unfortunate if my check bag got lost because I'm not bringing a carry-on, and the only thing I'm putting on my book bag on the plane is just my laptop. So let's hope nothing bad happens.